Once upon a time, in a land far away where the sky was always painted in hues of pink and lavender, there lived a magical Barbie named Crystal. Crystal lived in a whimsical cottage nestled amidst a forest filled with sparkling trees and colorful flowers that seemed to dance to the melody of the wind. Now, Crystal wasn't just an ordinary Barbie. She possessed a special gift, the ability to wield magical wands. Each wand she owned held a unique power that could bring joy and wonder to the world around her. One sunny morning, as Crystal was wandering through the enchanted forest, she stumbled upon a group of sad woodland creatures. They told her that a dark shadow had spread across their once vibrant home, draining it of its magic and color. Determined to help her friends, Crystal embarked on a quest to restore the forest's magic. With her trusty wands in hand, she ventured deep into the heart of the woods, where she encountered all sorts of challenges and obstacles. Using her wands, Crystal cast spells of light and hope, turning darkness into shimmering starlight and sadness into laughter. Along the way, she made new friends, a mischievous fairy named Twinkle, and a wise old owl named Merlin, who guided her on her journey. As they traveled together, Crystal discovered that the source of the darkness was an evil sorceress, who envied the beauty and magic of the enchanted forest. With bravery in her heart, Crystal confronted the sorceress in a magical duel, wielding her wands with skill and determination. In the end, it was not the power of her wands that defeated the sorceress, but the power of love and friendship. With the help of Twinkle, Merlin, and all the creatures of the forest, Crystal banished the darkness once and for all,